lot of people don't like the word negotiations. People have this negative connotation towards salespeople. But guys, everything in life is sales. Your kids sell you on the candy bar at the store. You probably sold your wife on why she should marry you. Discovery phase is also going to go through the property evaluation. Also known as underwriting, right? Looking at what similar properties are selling for in the area, and then going through the questions to identify where we're at with that property, right? After accounting for the work that needs to be done into it, the goal is to be in this house at 70% market value minus repairs. It's called the 70% rule, right? It's the golden rule of investing. Most investors want to acquire property at that 70% if it's a cash purchase, right? So after we go through the lead generation stage, lead comes in, rapport building with the seller, getting to know them and their situation. We go through the property as well. We come up with a fair offer price, right? A maximum allowable offer. And after that, that's where we get to negotiations, right? Because if we can find the best deal, right? If we can buy a house at a discount, we've just created value for ourselves, right? Lead generation fuels that engine. That's our marketing engine. And after we've identified the problem and the pain point, that puts us in a situation where we can discuss a solution, right? So in the negotiation stage, a lot of people don't like the word negotiations. People have this negative connotation towards salespeople. But guys, everything in life is sales. Your kids sell you on the candy bar at the store. You probably sold your wife on why she should marry you, right? So everything in life is sales. And you want to present yourself and sell yourself on why you're the best person for that job. And if you can master sales, I promise that you'll never be hungry again. But in this negotiation stage, we're going to highlight everything that we discovered with the seller when talking with them, right? And if we can secure the property somewhere around that 70% ballpark, then there's opportunity to make money, right?